Well, sadly this morning I broke one of my picks. My comb rake. Gone. So what I thought I'd do, I thought I'd make one. So, just let me get this here. I'll put that there. Right. There you go. Just have a kitchen knife. Basic kitchen knife. Yeah. Let's have a go with it. If I can find a tension wrench. There we go. Right, 5-pin era. Probably not go because the camera's on. Oops. Oh, there you go. Yeah, gone. I'll just show you a few more that I've made. I'll just prop this up here, then you can see. A couple of long hooks. They're all out of kitchen knives. All out of kitchen knives. There's the rate what I've just made. Yeah. Oh, and a bypass tool. Yeah. So I've run out of kitchen knives as well as locks. So anyway, hope you like it. Thanks for watching.